Yep, she's a pouring. And I love the rain with all of my heart. But when you're out trying to make money, not good to have a rainy day. Anyway, I just wanted to check back in with you. It has been a few hours since I sprayed on Dubai Cocoa by Milestone Perfumes. It is a Eau de Parfum. That is accurate. Um, this has already smashed its way into my top 15 favorite caloms of all time. This smells so good. Open up with a Tootsie Roll. Then you go into a more of a traditional chocolate with like pistachios smell. And then fire starts and it gets stronger on your skin. That's crazy. And I smell like a brownie with pistachios. That's what I smell like. And that's only just a few sprays on one RM. That's all. Imagine Honor and Glory by Lattafa, only take out the pineapple and put in chocolate. The longevity, the sillage, the projection, the delicious please eat me smell. I could not find any information about this calen online, on Google, on YouTube. No reviews, nothing. So if anybody has any ideas about Milestone Perfumes Dubai Cocoa Eau de Parfum, let me know. It has no business being $14.99 at TJ Maxx. It should be at least $45. If you see that bottle, that green porcelain looking bottle with the cheesy gold heart for a top, pick it up. Pick